You probably wonder why I'm starting in the master bath, because I'm on the second level of a great Essex Homes basement. Basement, guys. Four sides brick home in a really good looking neighborhood called, you ready for it? Tullamore. If you've ever been to Paddler's Cove, where Fielding Homes is doing a great job, what do you think, Jack? You like it? Well, right next door is Tullamore, and they're really in the closeout mode here. I like Essex Homes really well. I've vetted them, meaning I've talked to a builder that formerly worked there that had nothing but good things to say about Essex Homes. Now you've got this deep tray, and it's not just a four-sided tray. It's got, what is that, an octagonal? Cool. And you've got these double doors coming in. So this is a 6-bedroom. Crazy, right? It's got I think it's like 5 baths. It's got a Clover address, so do what you will with the schools on that. So here is a really nice, open-looking, really bonus room. Media room. I don't know if you slapped some doors on that. Now this is, by the way, got that bay window bump out, and when you think about it, that's pretty doggone cool because, number one, wow, look at the wooded lot. I love it. When you think about this bump out, that means that that's down probably on the breakfast room, as well as the, I get so many calls, people asking about Jack. What about Jack? What about Jack? Jack's here. And so I just love the fact that when you do that sort of bay window bump out, which I have on my house, I like it real, real well. And so when you do that, then you carry that on each level of the house. So you got a bunch of bedrooms up, and then you've got this spectacular 2-story entry with this window up, nice. And then you've got an ensuite here. So you've got, say, an adult child living with you. Maybe it's mom or dad moving with you from wherever, and you're not quite ready for master on the main. Well, here is a really handy and very attractive ensuite for, Jack's doing the Mo Larry Curly Joe. It must be a good house, right, Jack? He's learning how to pose for the video camera. So what have you got up here? A bunch of bedrooms, probably 4, right? And then including the master is up. And then you've got that huge bonus room. Now you've got these oak treads. Come on, Jack. He's usually going up the stairs, but he can go down the stairs just as well. So here's what you see when you're coming down from upstairs. You've got a kitchen with a breakfast room space, and then you've got this great room with a fireplace. Do you see it? Coffered ceilings. Pretty doggone sweet. So, why do they build basements? Well, it's because of the topography of the land. If this is a lot that basically has, look at that big pantry right there. It looks like the fridge comes with it, by the way, because they're wanting to sell this house. There's no doubt about that. It's sitting inventory, and they're ready to sell it. So you've got all that. You've got the windows. What did I say about the bay window? Probably here in the breakfast room on this level. Looking out, we'll go outside and take a peek at that beautiful looking lot. But so here it is. You got white cabinets, 42-inch, which is stellar. Really nice looking. It looks like quartz to me. And then you've got this coffered ceiling in the great room. And not only that, but you've got, we'll go up to the front. Again, I'm doing this completely backwards, right? So here, coming in, you've got a laundry room. By the way, this one's priced under $500. It's in the $475 to $500 range, closer to $475. Sitting inventory, and what have I taught you? We're going to do better on a house that's sitting that they want to get rid of, that they want to get off their books than we are on a to-be-built. Nothing wrong with a to-be-built. Beautiful floors, by the way. But when you've got a house that's already sitting, this has a guest suite on the main level. And here's what you see when you come into, I love seeing a fireplace. And then you've got so many spaces and spots, to congregate in, including out here on this deck. And whenever I see a deck like this on a basement, I immediately transfer my thoughts to the basement where there's got to be space exactly underneath here. So you've got 4 sides brick, got a good sized lot, and a beautiful wooded lot to boot. Jack is looking longingly like, I want to go out and play out on the lot. I like lots. So what are you going to do? Give me a call at 704. We're going to go down in the basement now. Give me a call at 704 704-345-3400, and let me help you with your relocation plans, because I make relocating to Charlotte easy. And the way I do that is by being your buyer's agent. And by the way, I do use video in ways that you may not have discovered yet. In other words, I've had so many people buy homes. Here we are at the front door looking up without even being in them. And what does that feel like? It feels like, hey, I've got an advocate. Man, there's another bay window right there. I can't wait to see the basement. I've got an advocate for me that can use their video skills to help me look at this particular house. Now, this one you're seeing it, right? But there are more that that are on your list that we haven't discovered yet. And before you know it, what we're going to do is we're going to have other houses to look at. Now, I've got a client meeting me here, and I see out the front that he's on his way in. So I'm going to go, and I was taking a few minutes before he got here to go ahead and shoot this house. Notice the difference in sound as we go outside, as we go downstairs. So we've got carpet down here. We've got a finished, really cool looking finished basement, finished. And then there's some unfinished space as well. So here's a media room or an office. That's great. Then you come into this space, into the walkout basement. Here you have more. This is, I don't know, what is this? A room for whatever. You know, this is a pool table room. And then you've got this room. This is just finished all the way out, guys. You've got this room that feels like, again, kind of a living room space. And did I say that, yeah, when you have a basement, you have some more outdoor living? Well, there's that deck we were just on. And there you've got a patio for your basement dwellers. And then I bet you, if my instincts are right, that we do have a bedroom and bath combo over here, which means you've got a whole nother living area with a closet. So this is a bedroom, right, Jackie? This is a bedroom. And then you've got a full bath as well. So give me a call, 704-345-3400. Here you've got a 3-story basement home under 500 from a really great builder, Essex Homes. I can't wait to be your buyer's agent. I'll see you in the next video.